And Richer and Gates, let's show those two again. These two men, we pay their salary. We, the people, pay their salary. We pay for our elections. These two men had the gall to say that was just a hiccup. That was a hiccup. You waited for hours in line, and that was a hiccup. You had to go to 3 or 4 vote locations, and that was a hiccup. Your vote didn't count, and that was just a little hiccup. I'm sorry. That's not just a hiccup. These clowns trampled on our sacred right to vote. And now we know that Richer and Gates lied and downplayed what happened on this day. This hiccup occurred in at least 59% of voting locations.